The Solo Lockable double drawer cart is a heavy-duty cart that will serve you for years. This video will show you the easy assembly steps. Let's begin. When opening the boxes, it's okay to use a cutter, just do not cut too deeply into the boxes. Before taking everything out, we want to mention that it's a good idea to hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all the functions of the cart. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. The first thing to do is set the shelves like this. Then take a plate and put it on top of the shelf. Secure the plate to the shelf with 4 of the bolts. Do the same thing with the other shelf and plate. Next, grab the supports. In the larger holes, you'll put the big stoppers. They usually go in by hand, but if they give you trouble, you can use a hammer to drive them in. Put the stoppers into the holes on the other support as well. Next, you can put the shelves on their sides. Make sure they're facing the same way. Also, make sure that the third plate faces the same direction as the other two. Take one of the supports like this. This part that sticks out here goes at the top of the cart. Make sure the big holes here are on the outside of the cart and that this long part of the support goes to the back of the cart. Put the support on the shelves like this and line up all the holes. You can put the other plate like this down here at the bottom of the cart. Then you can take the bolts and connect everything. It helps to fasten all 6 bolts partially and then tighten them all the way down once all 6 are in. Next, take 6 of these plastic covers and insert them into the stoppers. If you need to, you can tap them in with the hammer. Then you can flip the cart over and attach the other support in the same way. Make sure the supports are facing the same way like this. Next come the wheels. First, you'll want to put a lock washer onto each wheel before attaching it to the cart. Lock washers help keep the wheels from loosening. You can tighten the wheels by hand and then snug them up with the included wrench. Then you can put the cart on the wheels and insert the wood slats into each of the plates. The last thing to do is put 4 screw covers into the holes up here. Perfect. Now your Solo Lockable double drawer cart is ready for your next treatment.